Hey everybody, we're back here at Sandy Bicycle. We're going to do a little tune-up on the Haro Master here. What we have is a 2017 Lineage Haro Master with Redline Flight 401 cranks. These things are rad. Oh, look at that. I'm losing some plastic protector stuff. We're going to have to fix that. But this is my flatland bike. We're going to put some grip tape on the pegs today, so I can do some really rad infinity rolls and some other things that I'll probably hurt myself doing, but we're gonna do it anyways because it's fun. So, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna clean off the axle pegs to make sure that that we are good to go, so when we put the grip tape on, we'll have good adhesion. So we're gonna take a little isopropyl rubbing alcohol. We're going to clean them babies off real good. I'm only going to put the grip tape on the top half of the peg because there's no sense in going all the way around. So we'll just clean them off real good. Get all the debris and whatnot off of it. And then once we're done with that, it should be air dry by the time we're ready to throw some tape on there. So, we got some pieces on here, I think. Grip tape. I remember in the 80s this stuff was, oh cool, you got grip tape. Yes, yes we do. So I need a knife. We're gonna take this little blade here. Now I'm only gonna want maybe an inch or two. So we're gonna go about like that right there. We're just gonna score it, maybe. See if we can bend it on that line there. I think we'll be able to get it. We're gonna try a different blade. I'll try this bad boy. Hopefully she's sharp enough. We'll see if Sandy Bicycle has sharp blades here, folks. Quick, what's the number for 911? Okay. Now let's just retrofit this bad boy on here. See where we gotta go. We're gonna bend it over on the edge here to make a little mark, so I know where to cut it. Now we're going to take her back over here to our cutting surface. And we are going to cut again. Score it like that. Maybe we can rip it. Oh yeah, look at that. That little piece right there. And we're going to peel the mask off the back. It's just like your double-sided tape or whatever you want to call it. It's going to have a nice sticky surface there. And we're going to take it and center it nice on the peg. We're actually going to move it like this because right now the bike is sitting at a weird angle. We're going to get it to stick on the top first, and then we're going to work it down. Work it down so we got nice adhesion on the back side. Then we're gonna do the same thing on the front. And voila! We have grip tape. Now I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. And then we're going to check out a little infinity roll action, see how my feet feel. We'll be right back with you.